Today we'll be going over some low-carb snack ideas that will stop cravings. Why am I this excited? Because we got a special guest. My little buddy is going to be here helping make it. Stay tuned. Make sure you stay to the end because the last one is going to catch you. What's going on, guys? It's Vernon from Happy Meals. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell to make sure you stay in the know from all of the recipes we're going to be dropping because we're going to help you be happy with Happy Meals. So we're talking about low-carb treats. We're talking about low-carb meals that you can have to reduce some of those cravings that you're going to get because they happen. I know how it goes, especially when you're trying to watch what you eat, right? We're going to be showing you some things to give it a different spin, honestly, because first thing we're going to be talking about is perception. Perception is big. You want to make sure that you make your food look pretty. Presentation is everything, which leads us into our first low-carb snack that you can have. You probably have this in your refrigerator right now, but you're not presenting it in the best way. Remember, we eat with our eyes. We eat with our eyes. So first up, we're gonna put a spin on something that, like I mentioned, is probably in your refrigerator right now. You take apples, you take cucumbers, some strawberries and grapes. Put it in a presentation that makes sense, that looks pretty, that works for you. And you will be amazed at how you're like, man, this does look appetizing. This, by the way, it's a great centerpiece. If you're hosting a party and you got some friends coming over, it looks great, it's healthy, and nobody realizes that it's kind of like, you know, healthier food. They just think it looks pretty. Next up, we have some delicious homemade salsa that's gonna taste exactly like the restaurant. All right, so here's everything it looks like. We cut the stems off. Be mindful of the heat. If things are too hot, do not add it. If you don't like if you're not a big fan of spice. So what we're going to do is drop this to a pot of boiling water, and we're just going to let these cook for about 10 minutes. Just get everything nice, get all the flavors melting together. And this is going to be a really simple homemade salsa that you can make without any effort. It's going to taste just like you at, you know, your local Mexican restaurant that you love to go to. All right, so for this salsa, it takes about 10 minutes. And what you want to do is you grab your tomatoes very carefully, and this is an added bonus, added step. Very carefully, even more careful than I just did with the tongs. Grab your blender, pop it right in there whole. Just like that. Then you're going to take a little bit of the water that's here. Not much, just a little. It depends, it's to taste really. Ooh, that never happened. Add a little bit of water. Pop it in the blender, hit it on pulse a few times, and boom, you're gonna be left with this. Maybe add a little salt, maybe add a little more jalapeno, just make it to your flavor, to your liking. This is some guacamole that is made with love. You saw my little buddy helping out because Happy Meals are about bringing the family together and having some good food. This is guacamole, AKA the nectar of the gods in our house. We love Taco Tuesday, and Taco Tuesday is not complete without some great tasting guacamole. That this is low carb. It's gonna taste like you're at a restaurant, not better. The recipe that I just showed you is legit. It's on point. I love this. And it's made with love too, because my little buddy helped us. These are simple, but they're very impactful. It's got the salt, it's got the sugar, it's got the protein in there, just gonna fill you up to keep you satiated. And the best thing about it is no one is going to even know that you're watching what you're eating. They're simple, they really don't take that much work. I mean, honestly, I did both of these snacks less than 10 minutes. So there's no reason not to do it. Happy Meals, this is the way that we do things. If you like recipes like this, if you like content like this, click the link right down below so you can learn more about Happy Meals. We like to keep things simple. That's how we roll. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, make sure you check out these other great videos.